What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Volkswagen Tiguan remote key fob. This VW Tiguan key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out like that. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down. I'm going to grab my screwdriver and come over here into that space where that key was. I'm going to put my screwdriver in there like this and then just twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. As I do that, it pops this cover up. Go ahead and pull that back cover off. We see our battery right here. Pull the battery out and we'll grab our new replacement battery. You want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. We'll tuck this edge in first like that. Then it'll just kind of sit in there. Then I'm going to grab my cover, and if you notice there's these tabs on the side of the cover, that's what's going to go in first. So get those tabs in there like that, and then we'll just snap our cover down. Flip our key blade back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.